7:34 a.m. May 27th, 2018. We are standing on Nohea looking towards Malama. Behind me is Leilani. I hope you can hear it, but off to the right, I can only assume there is a fountain happening. Of course it's killing me. But straight ahead, we still have some molten lava going on here. And flowing right under that is the main feeder of all the lava that's happening down the road. Inquiring minds want to know. Ooh, what am I doing? That's brand new lava right there. It got warm all of a sudden, and that's why. Let's see here. Yeah. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's crackling as it's cooling. It doesn't seem to be advancing much anymore. But check that out, you guys. Look at how the new lava meets the old lava. You can clearly tell the difference in color. The new is more silvery as it first comes over and out. Alright. How far do I go? Oh, there's a tree mold right here. Oh, man. There's a tree mold right down there somewhere. And this is the tree. The shape of the molds match the shape of the trees. Yeah, unfortunately, I'm not going to go back there because of that. And if I have to make a quick getaway, that would produce some cuts and scratches. Okay, so you can't get to Malama going this way. I don't know where we're going to go next. Oh. What the heck? Yeah, it sounds like a steam locomotive. It is? It's got to be steam. From what? A water tank? A hot water tank? She's gonna blow. She's gonna blow. Oh my God. She blew. Nope, she didn't blow. Do you hear that?
Yeah!
Do you hear that? Oh!
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, I saw that.
What? What was it?
It was just a big like mushroom cloud of flame.
You are kidding. Propane?
Probably a propane tank. Yeah. Yeah. Mushroom, big red mushroom cloud.
The first thing I did was look up in the sky like, heads up! Wow. We were here from start to climax. Oh, man. Okay, so where were we? I was just getting ready to sign off. Alright, I am signing off now. Aloha.